YouTube and Instagram followers. Thank you for your constant and continued support. In case you haven't noticed already, I'm pretty sick. It's been a little bit since I put up a video, no live stream this past week, and I'm getting better. That's about all I can say. You can hear it. I'm getting better. I'm trying to get there so I can get some more content out for you guys, but I got something out for you. I received a package in the mail. It's right here. I got this today. Today's date is Friday, February 8th, 2019. And I'm going to do a live unboxing. Well, not live. It's a taped unboxing. Today we're unboxing a package from the Ruddy Man Beer Company, based out of North Carolina. The company owner is Jimmy Atkins. Great guy. I've done a review for him once before. I did the nightcap, which was like a jasmine and patchouli scent, and I really enjoyed that. This one's for you, Dan C. Okay, so we're going to do an unboxing, and I have something different here that I've never talked about before, but I'll discuss it now. It's actually coffee grinds. It's a way to neutralize your scent of smell if you have a hard time distinguishing scents, especially if you're trying out colognes and such. Sniff some coffee. Should help you clear out your nostrils and get you back to a neutral state. Unboxing. Oh, okay. So, first thing I see is a t-shirt. Ruddy Man t-shirt. Man up, take care of your beard, with the website ruddymanbeard.com. Awesome. Now that is really cool, and it's a very thin material, and I'm a big fan of those. That's what this is made of. I got a nice shirt. Thank you, Jimmy. Appreciate that. And a Ruddy Man hat. Now this I like, and it's in the red. I remember he was asking me questions about this before, about which color I would prefer, because he has a black one, a red one. I like the red for the simple fact it stands out. I'm looking over here in my mirror, and it literally pops right here on my black shirt, so I like that. Okay. And as everybody knows, I'm a big fan of stickers, so that's good. And it says, man up, take care of your beard as well. And we have a little note. Jimmy likes to write his notes on a little card he puts here. It says, Scott, thank you so much for this opportunity. I hope you find something here you love, and I especially hope you dig the extras in my new unreleased scent, Ringside. Can't wait to see your review, brother. Stay ruddy. Jimmy Atkins with a smiley face and a beard. I like that. I like the little smiley face guy with the beard. That's cool. Okay, so what else do we got in here? Ruddy Man mustache stick. Okay, he calls it Be Still. So 0.15 ounce, medium to hard hold, and natural ingredients: beeswax, lanolin, jojoba, and grapeseed oils. Okay, I don't have a big mustache as of now, but I'm definitely going to be doing a review on this when this grows out, so that will be in the little bit down the road future. A Ruddy Man guitar pick. These come in handy for musicians and for heavy holding beard balms. Okay. Ruddy Man Beard Co. Balm House Blend Balm, 2-ouncer. Okay, where's the old knife? Oh, didn't even need it. Okay. Also, we have inside of here Ruddy Suds beard wash. Okay, and he even taped the top, which is like a shampoo topper. Now that's really good for packaging quality. I like that. This labeling is very slick. Check it out. It's very smooth, very glossy. And the ingredients of this looks to me like a 2-ounce. Looks about a 2-ounce of the suds. Water, grapeseed, palm kernel, olive, hemp, and jojoba oils. Citric acid, tocopherol, which I'll double check to make sure if that's the good or the bad one, because I know Dan C made a video. There's a good tocopherol and a bad one. I will find out. Glycerin, xanthan gum, and essential oils. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me clear my nose out. Okay. And this is a very thin beard wash, I can see. It's got like a fresh scent. It may be a citrus of some sort, but I'm getting a fresh right off the back. And then that's the rest that's in the big box. Now in this small one here, okay, it has the recycled paper, which is always good. It's got the Ruddy Man stamp right there. Double shot Ruddy butter, coffee and vanilla. That's a 2-ounce container. I can see that. I can tell that. We have double shot coffee and vanilla beard oil. We have a Bomb House blend, apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. And these are 1-ounce bottles. And this is his unreleased Ringside. Now this one is different. A leather, tobacco, amber, cedar, and vetiver blend here. Okay, this is unreleased. Okay, thank you for giving me one of your unreleased products. That means a lot. I appreciate that. Okay, all right. So let's set this to the side. Close this. All right, so we opened up the wash. This is the mustache wax we'll use down the road. Let's check out this Bomb House blend first. The apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. These are some products or some scents that I don't use a lot of, which is, I'm not knocking it. It's just something that I don't use a lot of. I'm not the biggest citrusy kind of guy. It's okay. It's just in the past, I haven't really found a citrus scent that kind of sticks with me. Some of them, not all of them. So I kind of steer clear of those, and that's okay. Now, cinnamon and vanilla, that's in actually quite a lot of bit of the products that I use on a normal basis. Bomb House Blend Beard Balm. All right. Now, the scent that I'm getting right off the back, I get the apple and the cinnamon first thing. And the vanilla is just a little bit behind it. It's a sweet. This is good. And this is in partnership with Bomb House. I don't know if that's a recording studio he works with or I'm not sure what that is, but I'll double check that before my review. Okay. And this beard balm, the beard balm scent is almost the same. It's just a little bit more softer, and that's kind of expected because of the other ingredients that are in the beard balm. Okay, I like that. Okay. And this is good. I like these. Okay, I'm looking forward to these. Double shot. This is coffee and vanilla. Oh, hold on. Let me go back. Beard oil ingredients: coconut, jojoba, argan, grapeseed, and essential oils. This one, all three, or excuse me, coconut, argan, dark roast, coffee, infused grapeseed oil. That's different. Okay. And they're sealed, which means you know you're getting a fresh product, which is good. And this one is the double shot Ruddy butter. Okay. So we got a beard butter, and you guys know that I love my beard butter. Shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. Okay. Okay, now you can see in here, there are coffee grinds, coffee beans, or whatever you want to call it, coffee grounds in here. This is actually, it looks like a fairly thick oil. It's coating my finger pretty well. This is pretty good. This one's impressive. Yeah, you could see the coffee grounds in there. So, okay, this is, and I get a little bit of the vanilla. It reminds me of like a coffee with sugar, and that's actually I've been looking for one of those here lately. The Ruddy butter. It has one of these cosmetic toppers, like a sealer. I like that. That looks like, to me, that looks like a whipped butter. So that's a different type of texture, and that's good. I like these. Yeah, and it's literally, it's starting to melt on my fingertip right there. So this is going to be, to me, it looks already like it's going to be a very nice moisturizing butter. Okay, and then the Ringside. Coconut, jojoba, argan, grapeseed, and essential and fragrant oils. Okay, again, this is leather, tobacco, amber, cedar, and vetiver. This is different. This is a different blend here. Oh. Now this is... Okay, this is different. Give me a second here. This is it's a yellow color. This is spicy. Now this is very different. I don't know what is standing out from this, but this is different. This almost reminds me of like an old book, like an old leatherback book, or like an old leather satchel, or something that you've had for a long time, that you've taken very good care of. It's oiled up and it's nice, almost like a boxing glove, if that makes any sense. Actually, that does, because he calls it ringside. This is different. This is very, very different. I've never smelled anything like this before. Wow. I'm impressed. I am very impressed with all these, but this scent alone, I can't explain this. Guys, I'm kind of like lost for words here for this one. This is surprisingly very, very good. I've never smelled anything like this before. Wow. Wow. I'm kind of speechless, Jimmy. You got me on this one. Wow. Well, overall, my unboxing experience for this Ruddy Man is really good so far. And again, today's date is Friday, February 8th, 2019. And I'm doing this here lately on some companies that are sending me packages that I'm working with. I'm going to get you my first impression of unboxing their packages, and I'm going to give you the review all in the same day. But I'm dating every single video so you know when this is done and how long I've had it, because you guys know that I do take the time and review all these products and give them the time that they deserve. So I'm going to be reviewing these within the next month. I just wanted to put this out here for you guys now. So as soon as you finish watching this video, click on the next one and you'll see the full review. And as always, I'd like to thank you all for the constant support. Jimmy from Ruddy Man, thank you very much again for the chance to review again. That means a lot. The website, one more time, is ruddymanbeardco.com. Let me get it right. ruddymanbeard.com. And that's where you can find his products. And also, he's on Instagram. I am no longer on Facebook anymore. I completely deleted all of my profiles, so I'm strictly Instagram only. Click me and find me there, Beer Times with Scott. And as also, subscribe up here and click the notification bell so you can see the videos first. Check out some of the videos I have here. And as always, keep on bearding, everybody. I'll see you soon. Where's my clicker? Dang it.